Okay, the next one is the LCM of 9 and 12. So the first step is we list down the multiples of 9. So you have 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. The next one is to list down the multiples of 12. So those are 12, 24, 36, 48, and 60. So after we list down the first 5 multiples, let's find out if there is a common multiple. So the common multiple here is 36. So the LCM of 9 and 12 is 36. Now, let us apply the second procedure, the continuous division. So let's have the continuous division. Okay. So let's divide 9 and 12. Now, think of a number, the smallest number that can divide 9 and 12. So the only smallest number is 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then, divide again. So think of a number that can divide both 3 and 4. And that is 1. So 3 divided by 1 is 3. 4 divided by 1 is 4. So notice that the quotients are now relatively prime. They are now relatively prime. So what will be the next step? We get the product. We get the product of these two numbers. So you have here 3 times 1 times 3 times 3 times 4. So get the product. So you have 1 times 3 times 3 times 4. So 1 times 3 is 3 times 3, 9 times 4. This is 36. So the LCM is 36.